Sparky Sparks here. I just can't let this trend go by. So I ordered fiery copper in my favorite wig. So one of my favorite styles is Spotlight. And as we've talked about, there are different styles. And the showstopper style I wear it's in hazelnut and has some red tones. But this is gonna be fiery copper, and we're gonna give her a try. So let's do this. We're putting on the wig cap. What I learned is that I probably need a darker wig cap up here, and they sell them in browns and blacks and different colors, but I need a darker one for a darker wig because with these nice caps, they're nearly see-through. You can see my hand. So it would be, I think, a little bit nicer if I had a darker cap. Anyway, so let's put this on. She's straight out of the box, so let's give her a try and see. I haven't worn red. So this is fiery copper. And oh, yes, hello. Okay, we can't let all the redheads have all the fun. Oh my gosh. Now this is inside. I will take her outside and do some video there so you see her in the natural light. I had to close my windows. The birds are going crazy this morning. This is water. Excuse me. This is water that I put in a smooth bottle. I use smooth for my tangles, and I get that from wigs.com. And once I ran out, I just filled it with regular H2O, and I've labeled it so I don't confuse it. But the water can help tame you'll recognize this style immediately, right? This is like the blonde that I wear that I did the hair toss in. I just love the hairline on this girl. So really great. Fiery copper, copper cowboy. Have a great day.